Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm Discord and your OS point to the same audio device so shared sound actually travels. First, pick the capture source in Discord, either the app window with audio or stereo mix if you need system-wide sound. Once done, set your system output to the device you'll stream and verify the app isn't muted. Make sure to open Discord's voice and video settings and select the exact input/output before you share, so the next steps are effective. Now you select what to share and why it matters. Choose application window when you only need one program's audio or entire screen for all system sounds. Click Share Audio. This flag tells Discord to pass the audio stream. Once done, confirm sample rate alignment. Mismatched rates can cause silence or distortion, so match 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz between apps. If you use virtual audio cables, route the app's output into the cable and pick that device inside. Finish by testing. Start a private call and play the audio, asking the listener to confirm both your mic and the shared sound are audible. If they can't hear it, stop sharing, restart Discord and the source app, then reselect the audio devices and sample rate. That often fixes routing glitches. If problems persist, close conflicting apps via Task Manager, check mute/volume overlays, and as a last resort reinstall audio drivers or the virtual cable software. This solves driver corruption or device conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.